Krishna, BCom second year. Today's my topics on disadvantages on opening bars and wines because there is too much effect on people. Number point I have maintained it in points. Number one, no one is maintaining social distance at wines and bars. Only some people, 5% people only maintaining social distance and remaining 95% are not. Why? Because some people excited to drink. Some people are already drank over there. They doesn't even notice what happening in their surroundings, and they doesn't even care about it. They be, this because no one is maintaining social distance. They not taking any precautions like wearing mask. They came directly outside. If one of them have virus, this is more chances to spread the virus. Second point, we have observed so many people who mentally disturbed due to lack of alcohol. We have seen so many people joined in hospital too. Have they people know about liquor is on sale? They all people came out and drink and buy it. According to a research, in all states, stock left for only 10 days. By drinkers' excitement, I think it will be finished in 5 days only. After that, they cannot stay without alcohol. They can become violent. In our India, who could not even have some money to buy vegetables, he can get money to buy alcohol. Whenever, when everyone have jobs and works, they have money. But now, no one have jobs and works, and money too. There are some people who could not live without alcohol. They can borrow money from others, or they will sell their things like jewelry or ornaments or like some house made things. But this that money with that money they drink. By this our country economy will increase, but family economy will get damaged. So many doesn't have money have some so many doesn't have money. If we think some people have little bit money, have that little bit money they spent on liquor, they doesn't have money to buy some home grocery or things to their family. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Very nice, Shiva Krishna. Very well presented. A little, what do you call? The topic was so valid. Not only in COVID times, but otherwise also. Alcoholism, this drinking problem that we have, is a social evil, and especially in a country like ours where people don't have food to eat, and then the men who drink or the women who drink are spending the hard-earned money of the family, and like you rightly said, where people are going without basic necessities, men want to have their drinks, and this opening of wine shops may be what you call fetching revenue for the state. But then, like you rightly said, for the economy, it is good, but then what does it do to the family structure? And like you said, in this 40 or 50 days of lockdown, it seems there was so much of domestic violence because men who were alcoholics were facing withdrawal, were facing withdrawal symptoms, and then there was child abuse also because of this. So that is a major problem. Now that it has opened up, we will see another problem, the economic side, where, like you rightly said, people will start hawking things. Whatever little money is left in the house, they will start using it for alcohol. So this is like a double-edged sword. You don't open it, then the state doesn't have revenue. You open it up, then it destroys families. So we must be responsible. We can have social drinking, where you have a peg or you have once in a week or something like that. But then this alcoholism, which we are seeing now, like the large queues that we saw, whether it was in our state or in other states, is a very sad thing. And I think you young people should be more socially aware, and maybe better because you have seen the older generation, your parents, your uncles, and the generation before you, the evils of alcoholism. So maybe you all should stay away from it or just drink it for social, reasons. Very good, Shiva Krishna. Just work on your little grammatical errors and pronunciation. Otherwise, it was very nicely presented. Very good
Thank you,
topic.
ma'am.
Thank you. Suchitra ma'am.
Yeah, Shiva Krishna, is it for the first time that you are
No, ma'am. I have
presenting?
already given
Your
a.
voice is breaking down. Suchitra ma'am, your voice is breaking
You've
down.
already. Okay, you've already, yeah, you've already given it, right? Are you able to now? What I would
Okay,
say
yes,
is
ma'am.
that Shiva Krishna, since 1 week we have been doing we have been giving these presentations. I think now it's time for us to tell you your positive points as well as the points where you need to improve yourself, right? So I'll start
Okay, ma'am.
with what is positive about you. First of all, your topic. You have chosen a very nice topic and a topic which needs to be looked into, as ma'am said, not only now but even beyond COVID-19, right? So the topic was
Yes, ma'am.
like you were talking what needs to be done, what is viable, and what is more important think about, right? It was a thought-provoking topic. A very good background research you have done on it, right? A good
Yes, ma'am.
analysis you have given, talking about how people's behavior was is the moment they open the shops, they're drinking as if they're not going to get it. But then what will they do if the stocks are over? So this analysis part of yours was really very nice. Now coming to your points where you need to improve yourself, yeah, that is, as ma'am said, you need to concentrate on your tenses.
Okay, ma'am.
There are small grammatical errors that are there visible.
Yes,
Otherwise, I think a very nice, interesting topic. Keep presenting. You will definitely, the scale will improve, right? Thank you very much.
thank you, ma'am.
Krishna, well done. This is your second presentation. I think the day before you presented a poetry reading, right, on self-worth. This is your second presentation, but I see a gain in confidence. Nice word space you have maintained. There is more clarity when compared to your previous presentation in word pronunciation and all that. There is more clarity, which is definitely an improvement. So it will
Thank
keep
you, ma'am.
improving. Do loud reading. As yesterday in the webinar, Mallikarjun sir said, do loud reading every day for 1 minute and keep reading. Do read a lot. That will automatically improve your content and grammar. It comes automatically. Well done. Okay. Do
Okay, ma'am.
again tomorrow. Good luck, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.